We're climbing up here. It's a very scenic view and they're building a very nice bridge on the back here. Here you can see the bridge coming alive, very close to our home, as you saw on the previous video. We're just hiking up here to the cemetery and from there we'll do a nice trail.
I am almost here in the Junk Bay Cemetery. So this is the view.
There you see the east side of Hong Kong Island. We're here now at a Chinese cemetery and we climbed our way up. It's a bit sunny here. Climbing up.
Going up to the Devil's Peak. So we can see the devil.
How are you?
Exhausted. Finally, we are here now in Devil's Peak. They call it Devil's Peak. So, once you are on the top, you will become a devil. Look at the view. Hey there.
Hi.
He just get back from his dungeon.
I'm illegal now without a mask.
Anti-law abiding citizen of Hong Kong. We're going to Yau Tong. Now our destination is a seaside.